Activists from the United Farm Workers spent the day reaching out to undocumented workers in the county. Good evening, I'm Tim Callahan.
And I'm Jackie Parks. The UFW was telling farm workers what they should and should not do if an ICE agent shows up at their door.
And 23 ABC's Laura Acevedo live in our newsroom now with what workers are being told to do tonight. Laura.
Tim, Jackie, hundreds of cards were passed out just like this one in Lamont today. The UFW says they just want undocumented workers to know what their rights are. One by one, members of the UFW approached people in Lamont, passing out these red cards that have the 4th and 5th Amendment on them in Spanish, protections under the law from unlawful searches and the right to remain silent.
Everyone's equal here, and we're here to fighting for those rights.
On the other side of the card, there are 3 statements that the UFW says the workers can say to an ICE agent. The UFW also told the workers they don't have to open the door unless the agent has a search warrant.
You just slip this through and you have the right to remain silent, and you don't have to sign anything that the police or any ICE official gives you.
The UFW decided to pass out these cards to workers after recent deportation raids in California. They are against President Obama's deportation orders and want the workers to know what their rights are should an ICE agent show up at their door.
You have the same rights as everyone else to enforce and to ask that your constitutional rights be respected, whether you're an undocumented person or a documented person in this country.
This family that stopped to receive a card said they are farm workers from Mexico that left everything behind looking for a better opportunity. They didn't know that they had these rights.
This card gives people the power to speak up and really to enforce their constitutional right to not speak to a federal agent or to a police officer unless they have an attorney present.
At least 400 cards were passed out today until they ran out.
We're here to protect them, and so they can know their rights, so they can be together with their families and not have to live in fear.
The UFW will be passing out these cards again on January 24th at several locations, including the Mercado Latino and the swap meet. In the newsroom, Laura Acevedo, 23 ABC News.